Looking for comfort on the trail? The top 5 best backpacking pillow can transform your entire camping experience. Lightweight, supportive, and easy to pack, it ensures you wake up refreshed and ready for adventure. Let's explore the top choice that delivers reliability and real outdoor comfort. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Hikenture Backpacking Pillow. The Hikenture Backpacking Pillow stands out as a highly dependable travel companion for campers, hikers, and frequent travelers who want consistent comfort wherever they go. Its biggest strength is durability. Thanks to the thickened TPU bladder, this pillow avoids the air leak problems that many inflatable pillows suffer from. Hikenture performs nearly 1,000 quality checks before shipping, and you can feel that reliability the moment you inflate it. The removable and washable cover is another huge advantage, offering both cleanliness and comfort. The exterior cotton feels soft on the skin, and the polyester layer underneath helps reduce those annoying crinkling noises that lightweight pillows often produce when you move around at night. Comfort-wise, the ergonomic height and shape provide excellent neck support whether you sleep on your back or side. The adjustable firmness through the valve allows you to customize the feel within seconds. Another thoughtful feature is the detachable elastic strap that keeps the pillow secured to your sleeping pad, preventing it from sliding away while you sleep. The one-click valve system makes inflating and deflating incredibly easy, requiring only a few breaths to get it fully set up. Overall, this pillow delivers superb durability, ease of use, and comfort, making it a reliable choice for outdoor adventurers who value quality and smart design.
Number 2. The PEUJEW Hammock Backpacking Pillow is an excellent option for travelers who prioritize plush comfort and versatility above all else. Unlike many compact outdoor pillows that rely on air chambers, this one uses premium memory foam, offering a supportive and luxurious feel that molds perfectly to your neck and head. Whether you're on a plane, relaxing in a hammock, sitting at your desk, or stretching out on the sofa, the pillow adapts effortlessly to your posture and provides consistent support. The removable, machine-washable cover is another major advantage, making hygiene maintenance incredibly convenient. Memory foam pillows often retain heat, but the smart air-layered design in this model improves airflow and prevents warmth from building up. This means you'll enjoy a cooler, drier sleeping surface even during long trips. The craftsmanship is solid as well. The foam retains its shape over time without sagging or flattening, which makes it a long-term investment for frequent travelers. While it may not pack down as small as ultralight inflatable options, its comfort level easily compensates for the slightly larger size. This pillow is ideal for camping, hammock lounging, road travel, and indoor relaxation, especially for people who dislike inflatable pillows. It provides soft, stable support that feels more like a traditional home pillow while still being portable enough to carry on any trick. Overall, the PEUJEW pillow is perfect for those who want maximum comfort, easy cleaning, and dependable memory foam support in all travel situations.
Number 3. Hikenture Backpacking Pillow. The Hikenture Backpacking Pillow earns high marks for its combination of durability, comfort, and smart design features that make outdoor sleeping significantly more enjoyable. One of its standout features is the upgraded TPU bladder, which prevents air leaks far more effectively than standard single-layer designs. This thicker inner chamber ensures long-lasting performance, giving campers confidence that the pillow will maintain its shape throughout the night. The removable, washable cover is another thoughtful addition, bringing a level of freshness and softness that you don't always get with inflatable pillows. The outer cotton layer feels smooth against the skin, while the inner polyester layer minimizes noise, allowing for quieter sleep even when you shift positions. Thanks to its ergonomic contouring, the pillow provides impressive neck support for both side and back sleepers. It can also double as a lumbar pillow during long travel or work sessions, offering versatility beyond just camping. Adjusting the firmness through the valve is simple and intuitive, letting you tailor the comfort to your preference. Inflation is extremely quick, requiring only a few breaths, and the one-click valve prevents air from escaping between breaths. The detachable strap on the back is particularly useful, ensuring the pillow stays anchored to your sleeping pad rather than sliding during the night. Lightweight, reliable, and easy to maintain, this Hikenture pillow is an excellent choice for hikers and backpackers who want a sturdy and comfortable sleep accessory that holds up well in tough conditions. Number 4. TREKOLOGY Backpacking Pillow. The TREKOLOGY backpacking pillow is a top pick for anyone seeking a lightweight, compact, and highly functional inflatable pillow for backpacking or camping. Weighing only 3.9 ounces and folding down to the size of a small can, it is one of the most portable options available today. Despite its tiny packed size, it inflates quickly into a generously supportive pillow suitable for both head and lumbar comfort. The upgraded 2.0 design uses more durable elastic TPU fabric, improving water resistance and overall longevity. This makes the pillow ideal for mountain adventures, beach camping, boating, or even hotel travel, delivering dependable performance in all environments. The new anti-slip dots on the back are one of its most impressive upgrades. They increase friction against sleeping mats so the pillow stays secure throughout the night. The latch strap further prevents movement, particularly useful for active sleepers who tend to shift positions. Comfort is enhanced through the ergonomic shape designed to offer improved neck support and reduce strain while sleeping outdoors. It inflates to 16 by 12 by 4 inches, giving it a comfortable, home-like feel. Inflation takes only a few breaths, and the quick deflate valve makes packing up quick and effortless. The ability to fine-tune firmness means each user can adjust the pillow to match their exact sleep preference. Compact, durable, and carefully engineered, the TREKOLOGY pillow provides exceptional comfort without adding weight to your pack, making it a must-have for serious backpackers.
Number 5. TREKOLOGY Ultralight Backpacking Pillow. The TREKOLOGY Ultralight Backpacking Pillow is designed with travelers and backpackers in mind, offering an impressive blend of portability, durability, and sleep comfort. Focusing on convenience, this pillow folds to an incredibly compact 5 by 2 inch size, smaller than a soda can, making it easy to carry in any backpack, pocket, or travel pouch. At only 3.9 ounces, it adds virtually no weight to your load. Once inflated, the pillow delivers excellent support for your head, neck, or lower back, making it useful for various sleeping and resting positions. The upgraded 2.0 version incorporates a more durable elastic TPU fabric, significantly enhancing water resistance and long-term reliability. This makes it suitable for all types of outdoor environments, from humid forests to cold mountain treks. The addition of anti-slip dots on the back helps keep the pillow stable on sleeping pads, and the latch strap adds extra security for restless sleepers. Comfort is further improved by its ergonomic construction, providing enhanced neck support for side, back, and stomach sleepers alike. The pillow inflates quickly, usually within 3 to 5 breaths, and deflates instantly using the quick release valve, saving time during setup and packing. Adjustability is another major advantage, allowing users to fine-tune firmness simply by controlling airflow. The TREKOLOGY Ultralight pillow delivers a home-like comfort feel despite its ultralight build, making it a favorite among campers seeking maximum convenience with minimal weight. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.